If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification. Once a king was going alone in the forest, riding on a horse. When he was passing by a hut, there he saw a parrot in the cage. On seeing King, Parrot cried out, "Run! Catch it! Kill it! Snatch its horse! Take away his jewels!" King understood that he had come to bandits' colony. Knowing that, King made his horse run with full speed. On hearing Parrot voice, bandits came out and started to chase King. Bandits followed, but King's horse ran so fast that bandits had to give up chase. While going ahead, King came across another hut. There he saw another parrot sitting in front of cage. On seeing King, that parrot said, "Come. Welcome. Guest have arrives. Bring food and water." Just at that time, King realized that he had come to the ashram of saints and sages. On hearing Parrot's voice, Sage came out immediately and welcomed King. King accepted hospitality of sages. Later, he went to Sage and told everything that happened previously and asked, "Maharaj, why there is such a difference in nature of birds of same species?" Even before Sage could say anything, Parrot said, "King, we are both child of same parents, but at early age, we both got separated. He was taken away by a bandit and I was brought here by a sage. Whole day, he listens to the words of violent bandits and I listen to words of sage, their discourse about God. That's reason we both grew up to be so different." You see in life. As the child grows, his parents, surrounding environment and friends influence his life. That is why parents should pay attention to inculcate good values in their children and keep children away from bad company. This is Wise Man Quotes. Stay blessed, stay motivated. Please subscribe our channel for more motivational contents.